If you have an electric car, this is the most important information that you will ever get. Now, what is my source? Owner's Manual. Before we continue, go ahead, like and subscribe so you will be receiving more technical information about electric car owner's manual. Battery performance and durability can be deteriorated if the DC charger is used constantly. The use of DC charge should be minimized in order to help prolong the high voltage battery's life. Owner's Manual tells you, because the companies are not stupid. The problem with the high voltage battery in electric cars becoming on fire or becoming in thermal runaway, it's the current that flows out and in. You have an electric car that gives you, let's say, 500 kilometers of range. So in order to drain that amount of current, you need to drive the vehicle for 500 kilometers. Let's say that you drive the car 100 kilometers per hour for 5 hours. Can you imagine the amount of energy that a battery needs to move a vehicle at 100 kilometers per hour for 500 kilometers? That is a lot of energy. If that is so, I ask you, why the hell do you want that same amount of energy coming back to the battery in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour? And there is the problem. Fast charging is too much amount of currents coming back to the battery. And remember, that amount of energy is stored in the form of chemistry inside the high voltage battery. So remember that the battery is not one huge battery. Those are hundreds of thousands of individual cells. And then the problem is that high amount of current flowing through each one of the cells, the fail is extremely high. So yes, the high voltage batteries, they have a thermal management system, but the main problem is you're overstressing the battery with too much amount of current, and that is the problem. And the companies are not stupid in saying it right here. In other words, fast charging is the worst thing that you can do if you have an electric car. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips. Bye-bye.